Do you know what sleep apnea is?
No.
Sleep apnea is a condition where someone stops breathing at night. Usually people who snore and they're on their back. As you relax, your muscles relax, your tongue falls into the back of your throat, and you actually stop breathing. Then you go through an arousal process. And this arousal process is to get you awake so that you're going to take a breath and breathe again. The problem with that is that it also pulls you out of your restful REM sleep. There is a correlation between clenching and grinding and sleep apnea, that part of the arousal thing, it's been measured that there is an episode of clenching and grinding. So if we can treat the sleep apnea, we can also reduce the amount of clenching and grinding, which is going to result in your jaw joint feeling better. It's really important for us to find out what your sleep quality is like. We're becoming more and more aware of the necessity of evaluating how people are sleeping. And eliminating sleep apnea can have a tremendous impact on the quality of your life.